everyone, today I'm going to be doing this look, which is a dramatic adventurous look where I've smoked out a liner and I've done heavy lash line, like lower lash line, for the first time ever. And this is all using just one brand, that is Oriflame. Yes, this is the one brand tutorial using Oriflame, and no one has sponsored this video, FYI. So yes, let's get started with the tutorial. I have already applied Oriflame Tender Care Protecting Balm to my lips to moisturize my lips. So next I'm going to move to Oriflame Perfecting Face Primer. This is what it looks like. Right now my face has some pigmentation, and so I just want to make sure that whatever makeup I apply does it work to the fullest. So I'm applying this primer and I'm going to apply it all over my face. About 5 to 10 seconds to just sort of go into my skin. And next I'm going to be applying the One Illuskin concealer. I'm in the shade Fair Light. And is it just me, or tell me you guys, isn't this the cutest packaging? Like, this tube looks so cute, so bloody cute. So I'm going to apply that to my problematic areas, and then I'm going to just pat it down in order to conceal my dark circles. Concealing is done, I'm going to be using foundation, and I'm using the One Illuskin foundation, and I'm in the shade Porcelain, and I'm going to use that with the help of this Oriflame brush. Today I'm going to be using all brushes by Oriflame as well, and this is their highlighting brush actually, but this can work great as a foundation brush too. So I'm just going to take that foundation, I'm going to show it to you in a while. This is how the foundation looks like, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. All that concealer and foundation with the powder. This is the Oriflame Pressed Pure Color Powder, and I don't know which shade this is in because it doesn't mention the shade. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to use this big fat brush from Oriflame just to set my face with this powder. Giordani Gold bronzing pearls in order to just bronze up my face a little, because I like that bronzed effect, and these pearls are so gorgeous. I love them. That's how they look. And I'm going to use this Oriflame blusher brush, and I'm going to apply that on the hollows of my cheekbones, a little bit of the jawline, and a little bit on the hairline. Marcel Murongio palette, and it has a beautiful blusher. I'm just going to show you. It is like exactly the dupe of NARS Orgasm, and that's pretty, right? It's like one of the world's most best-selling blush of all times. So yes, and that is the blush right there, such a pretty shade, right? And I'm gonna use that same blusher brush and I'm just going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks. Of highlighting, and I'm using Dare to Dream Oriflame palette. It looks like this. This is the outer packaging. I'm just gonna open it up and show it to you guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful palette because it comes in a box like this and it has like vanity lightings. How cute is that? So the palette actually opens up like this as well. Like you can open it up in like a 3-layer thing. That's that. So here we have a beautiful highlight, and I'm gonna use my finger to just highlight the cheekbones and higher points of my face. Next up for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this flat shader brush by Oriflame, and I'm using the same Dare to Dream palette, and I'm using this matte brown shade from right here, and I'm going to define my eyebrows. Finish the face makeup now. I would do one of the eye and then I'll return to show you how to do the other eye. So my first step is going to be picking up Oriflame Studio Artist Gel Liner, and this is what it looks like. It's a normal gel liner packaging. Its brush, although, is a total waste because it's just this tiny, like literally it's this tiny. But I'm anywho going to pick up that gel liner onto this brush, and I'm going to create an outer V and like fill it in with the gel liner. You're gonna see what I'm saying in just a matter of seconds. With that liner, I'm going to go back in my Marcel Morongo palette and I'm going to pick up this dark brown shade from right here with the help of the flat shader brush again, and I'm going to just start to smoke out, like not smoke out, like blend it in, and I'm going to color my moving lid. Next, I'm going to pick up this peach shadow from right here, this one, and I'm going to apply it to my inner corners, and I'm going to highlight like my inner areas as well, like tear duct and inner corner. Blending in of the look, I'm going to use this charcoalish, dark blackish, like dark grayish shade from right here, and I'm going to put it in between the gel liner and the brown shade to blend it in even better. See how that gradient ombre effect goes? Love it. Next, I'm taking the one stylo pen from Oriflame only because it has such a magnificent tip. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little bit of my inner corner, like I'm going to point it out, and I'm going to do a heavy lower lash line with the help of the gel liner as well as this pen. I've never done a lower heavy lash line, but today I'm just in mood for a little bit of adventure. And oh, also I'm going to line my upper lash line very thinly. Waterline with the same gel liner. I'm not sure whether this suits me or doesn't suit me. I'm just in a bit of adventure, guys, so please don't be like, oh my gosh, that doesn't even suit you. It's just a bit of playing around with makeup. Next, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. dramatic look and one must apply false lashes, but I'm not in a mood for false lashes, so I'm going to use two mascaras. This is the One Volume Blast Mascara and this is Very Me Extend Lash Mascara. So this is volumizing and this is lengthening, so I'm going to use a combination of these two to give my lashes that sort of falsies effect. In this makeup, however, is going to be, I'm going to take the Oriflame Dare to Dream palette again, and here is it, and I'm going to take up this skin tone shade with the help of this Oriflame blender brush, and I'm going to put it under my eyebrows as a highlight. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to be using Giordani Gold Jewel Lipstick in the shade Honey Chestnut, and I love the packaging of these lipsticks. They look so royal. And this is the shade. It's actually a very dark brown, so I'm just going to dab it onto my lips to get like a nudish color. This even a bit more up, I'm going to use Gloss Booster by Oriflame in the shade Sugar Glaze. It's like almost a clear with the light pinkish tone, so I'm going to apply that onto my lips. This one brand tutorial using just Oriflame products. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Also leave me other one brand tutorials that you would like to see in the future, and yes, I hope you like this adventurous dramatic look as well. And if you do try this out, then don't forget to tweet, Instagram, email or Facebook it to me. I love to see you guys' recreations. And yes, I have a Twitter, an Instagram, a Facebook and a blog. All the links are in the bottom bar, so make sure to check those out as well. And I will see you guys on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye.